the same time, yung nearing to death, na it's a reminder na we're all gonna die. Ang sarap din isipin na even though we're gonna die, there are these milestones of our lives na, uy, nakaabot ako ulit ng ganitong dami ng araw. Cheers.
Cheers.
So, sa mga viewers natin, you know what, guys? It's our boy's birthday. Happy birthday, Kaz. Bunso, no? Bunso sa MOC. So, birthday. So, our topic for this episode would be about birthday. My question is the concept of birthday. If you separate the concept of birthday to dates, yung araw, January 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all. It's a common day. I mean, for the other people na hindi nagse-celebrate ng birthday, it's just a common day. It's another day, right? Ngayon, for some reason, nag-come up yung society natin ng concept of birthday and we celebrate it, right? And I think the essence of it is to celebrate nga yung being alive or giving that day, binigyan tayo ng buhay. But then again, going back na, it's just another day. Actually, sorry, medyo parang negative yung na parang it's just another day, right? But then tayo, nabibigyan natin siya ng importansya. Kasi yun nga yung time na or yung day na nabuhay tayo. So for you guys, what do you think is the essence or the importance or the value of celebrating your birthday? So I guess pwede mong answer yan din na is it important for you to celebrate your birthday? Why yes? Why not? Kasi to give a context din, meron yung ibang tao na sobrang saya nila pag birthday nila. It's really extravagant celebration. Masayang-masaya sila. Talagang sineselebrate nila. Meron din naman yung iba na nakakalimutan yung birthday nila. Na wala silang pakialam sa birthday nila. Maybe because of what they are going through with their lives.
Yes.
So, why do you think is it important to celebrate it or not, and why?
Siguro, depende sa perspective ng mga tao. Nagbabari talaga yun. And, kung ako tatanungin, ako ay do celebrate my birthday pero hindi yung ganun kagarbo or ganun ka-grand or something like that. Binibigyan ko lang din siya ng, for lack of a better term, binibigyan ko lang siya ng importansya. It's a reminder for me na it's another year and I'm celebrating life. Yeah, celebrate your life. Kasi nga, always choose life. Sabi mo nga sa mga previous episode natin. Yeah. So I think that's the reason. Celebrating your birthday is not really just celebrating it. It's a reminder for you that you're living your life.
Yeah, very nice, sir. Yes, sir. I totally agree.
For me, I think it all boils down sa gratitude mo as a person, like being thankful. Kasi I had a phase na when I was young, sobra kasing madaling mag-aral eh. Sobrang alam mong sure kang papasa, ganun. Tapos may activity rin kami na binigay yung prof ko just to give a backstory. Tapos, mag-drawing daw ng representation ng birthday. Basta yung dinrawing ko nun, di ba ako siya magaling yung drawing. Naging costume party siya. Mag-ghost there. Celebrating birthdays, celebrating a year closer to your death. At least ganun yung tingin ko na. Pero ngayon, pag humihirap kasi yung mga ina-achieve mo, mas nagiging thankful ka sa mga na-achieve mo. Sa mga things na you have. Yan, I look at it as yung degree of happiness kapag birthdays. It all depends sa things na grateful ka na meron. Sa na-achieve mo sa year na yun. I think it's a commemoration. Tama ba yung ko?
Amazing. Pero na-amaze ako sa ano. Closer to death.
No? Yeah.
Sabi nga ni Kuya Edward din naman. Yung rason.
Then, no?
Took it in a bad way then. Still a year closer to your death naman. Mga birthdays mo. Pero at least, you look at it on the bright side.
Sige.
Yung birthday, para sa akin masaya siya if people celebrate it for you. Pero lang sa akin, yung mga masasayang birthdays, ibang tao yung nag-effort to make you feel special at that day. Hindi yung ikaw yung mag-go out on your way na libre or something.
Yeah.
Iba yung feeling pag sila yung mga close sa'yo yung nag-effort doon sa yung birthday. So, kung ako lang, because siya-celebrate. Ang ordinary day lang. Parang, it's really good to celebrate a birthday with your loved ones.
Yeah.
Your special people.
Iba rin nga pag sineselebrate nila yung birthday mo. Different feel na.
Ang galing nga kasi magkakaiba tayo ng perspective.
Yeah. Actually, wala akong sagot. Naano ko lang, naalala ko lang yung, kilala niyo ba si Nas Daily? Si Nas Daily, di ba? Very iconic yung t-shirt niya. Yung 30%, 50%, ganun. Kaya ganun yung t-shirt niya. Meron siyang specific na average na span of life of people. Tapos doon niya kina-quantify yung percentage ng t-shirt niya. Like kung ilang taon na siya, tapos yung average span of life ng people, inaano niya, parang nire-ratio niya, ganun. Kaya doon nang gagaling yung 50%, 30% niya dun sa t-shirt niya. So somehow, yung life, quote-unquote niya is nakadepende dun sa statistics nung mortality rate. Ayun, exactly, sir. Mortality rate. Yun lang naman yung naalala ko sa kanya. Pero sa akin, same din naman eh. Same lang dun sa inyo. Same na mas masaya ako kung iba yung nagse-celebrate para sa akin. Ngayon, sabi ko kanina, nung nag-break tayo na sabi ko, kunwari hindi ko alam, pero alam ko talaga. Pero mas masaya ako kapag kasi-celebrate nila or ginreat nila ako. Diba? Mas masaya ako nun. Pati na yan. At the same time, yung nearing to death, na it's a reminder na we're all gonna die. Ang sarap din isipin na even though we're gonna die, there are these milestones of our lives na, nakaabot ako ulit ng ganitong dami ng araw, ng taon. Yun lang naman. Naano ko lang kasi, very timely. Very timely. Happy birthday. And I guess I'll just take this as a chance then to appreciate our youngest member din na kasi sa group of people, yung perspective, kapag group of people somehow medyo pare-parehas lang ng pinag-isipan or ng take sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero getting a perspective from somebody na fresh, it's kind of masaya. So I think the point of me asking this question then and putting you on a hot seat is to appreciate you then being here sa group natin. And more sessions to come and episodes to come.
For sure, I'm here to learn din. Siyempre,
Bring your
Yes,
friends
guys.
also.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Ayun.
Cheers.
Ang tapang na lang.
Again, this is Man of Culture. Thank you guys for watching. It really means a lot.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
And if you have thoughts, comments, and future topics that we can discuss, comment below.